Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Polygon network to Metamask wallet. You can add Polygon network really easy because Metamask mobile version added feature that allows you to add Polygon network without having to input any details. In top of the screen, click on networks. As you can see, I already added Polygon network. Just click add network, and in this list of popular network you will see Polygon network. Click add and you will see this screen. Just click approve and Polygon network will be added to your Metamask wallet. Here you can switch between networks. Okay, now just to show you, click on Polygon and you are on Polygon network.
Now I will show you how to add Polygon network to your Metamask wallet on desktop version. Go to your Metamask wallet, log in and click on networks, click add network and you will see this screen. You need to put all information in these boxes. I will post all information in the video description below. When you are done with putting all information in these boxes, just click save. You will see this pop up that Polygon was successfully added to your Metamask wallet. When you go here to networks, you can switch between Ethereum, Polygon or some other if you have it in your Metamask. That is all. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe and notification bell.